Several parts of Odisha witnessed the much needed relief from the scorching heat conditions, thanks to the cloudy weather conditions on Sunday. Meanwhile, the India Meteorological Department issued a yellow warning for thunderstorms with lightning in several parts of Odisha. The alert has been issued for some parts of Balangir, Kandhamal, Bodh, Keonjhar, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur, Bhadrak, Baleswar, Khordha, including Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and Puri. As per IMD, there is a possibility of considerable drop in the maximum or the day temperature in Odisha in the next 24 hours. As per the latest forecast, the maximum temperature is likely to drop by 2 to 4 degrees in the next 24 hours. Similarly, the maximum temperature will again rise by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius in the subsequent period.